how to watch members only videos on YouTube. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to do so. So let's get started. So first of all, let's head over to youtube.com. Open up YouTube on our screen, either on your mobile application or your website, and you can basically go ahead and open up the YouTube channel. So open up the YouTube channel, and once we open up the YouTube channel, we need to find an option called join button, usually next to subscribe. So if you find that join button, that is a membership tier. So you can just go over and choose up a membership tier. You can complete out the payment and click on the option called join now, and you can select up a channel, for example the Lion Whisper, and click on join. Once you click on join, you will be finding an option to choose up a membership. You can go ahead and basically complete out the payment, and once active, only the members will be available to view the videos and it will unlock for your account. So you'll be finding this option. You can just go and click on this option, and only members are allowed to look out for those contents. And if you do not see the join button, that means the creator may not offer membership. That may be the reason. Memberships may not be available in your region or device, or you may need to use desktop browser or updated application. And that is it. So that's it everybody. If you want to watch members only videos on YouTube, this is how you do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.